Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at what exactly is this winter of code, why is it becoming popular now, and how is this different from summer of code. And we are also going to see how this can be compared with Google summer of code, what is the differences, and what's in it for me if I join a winter of code, what communities are hosting winter of code this time, then what are all the different roles are there in winter of code, as a participant, as a mentor, as a project admin, or as an organizer. Then let me introduce you about my project, which is going to be about onboarding interns for an internship. So my project is about Internship OnBoarding platform along with an LMS. Then we will look into how to join any winter of code community right now. Then finally, this question has been asked by a lot of people to me. How can I contribute to a winter of code? What is the procedure? How should I start with project selection? Once I select a project, what is the next step? What are all the steps that I need to do to get a issue assigned to me? How should I start working on an issue? How can I publish my contribution to the project? What steps are involved in it? Whether it is a graphical user interface or a command line interface, how should I go about it? Oh, what is Git and GitHub? How should I be using those things? And finally, how to come in the top of the leaderboard. So these are the different topics that we are going to discuss in this video. I hope this is going to be very informational and useful for all the new people who are joining or starting your journey in open source world. So at any point of time, you're free to contact me on LinkedIn and the respective communities, Slack or Discord. So I'm a part of two communities right now. One is DevStrict Summer of Code and another one is Script Winter of Code. So let me know if you have any queries. Feel free to reach out to me and let's rock. Welcome to your journey to the open source world. It's Praveen Kumar and let's meet in the full video. See ya.